Hey everybody, how's it going? Down here, welcome to the channel. My friends over at Mackie have sent me a couple of studio monitors. So they have a whole lineup of various sizes and even a subwoofer. And so, of course, I'll have a link in the description below where you can pick up a couple of these or any of the other sizes. And the one they sent me today is the CR4.5 Bluetooth model, so I can connect to this via Bluetooth. And this was super convenient because I was needing some new studio monitors, and then they reached out to me at the perfect time. And I chose this size because it wasn't too big on my desk. And in this channel, we mostly deal with like mobile DJ related stuff. Monitors like this can be very useful because you can use this as your at-home practice studio. You don't have to pull out one of your speakers you use for gigs, like your Eval 50, and then you have to take it down every time you go to a gig. So you can just have these permanently set up in your studio, and that is awesome. And if you're into producing music, it's essential to have external monitors because you can only go so far mixing with your headphones. It doesn't always give like an accurate representation of the music. And also at gigs, a lot of people prefer a monitor over headphones while they're mixing. And while I'm not sure that these would be quite loud enough for a live situation where you have your two 18-inch subs and your 1,000-watt speakers on each side and you're pumping music, these definitely will get the job done while you're mixing at home. So without further ado, let's go and unbox this thing. So we got our manual and a couple of foam pads. Here's monitor 1, monitor 2, and a bunch of cables. All right, here's the first monitor and the second monitor. So these speakers are great for studio reference as well as casual playback. So together they're about 10 pounds, and each speaker is about 6 inches wide, 9 inches tall, and 7.5 inches deep. And one of the ways they keep the price down is they sell a set of 2 of these, and so one is powered, one is passive. You can see that in the back here. You have a cable that plugs into here, and so you only have to plug in and control everything from here. On the back here it has this on and off switch. It has some tone controls. It has a knob whether you're putting this on a desktop or a bookshelf, and you can also select whether this is left or right in relation to the other one. And you can do mono or stereo inputs with a 1/4-inch cable. And then yeah, it's got this nice smooth texture. Now on the front you have this Mackie green around the 4.5-inch woofer, and it has this tone select located conveniently on the front. You can plug in headphones into here as well, and you can control the volume with this volume knob. And this connects to Bluetooth. So this is my creator desk. I have a couple of monitors already. They're kind of big, so I was looking for some smaller monitors. So when Mackie approached me to review these, I thought this would be perfect. These will actually fit, so here we go. All right, right off the bat, I can tell that these speakers just fit way better on this desk. Yeah, basically how my laptop is set up, I have this docking station that connects to my laptop, and I have this Focusrite interface that goes into the docking station directly. Then in the back of here, I can plug in my cables to my studio monitors. So I have a left and a right, and that is what is connected to this. My passive one I have right over here, and then this is my active one. So just with this one cable, it's connected to my Focusrite interface. I have this cable connected to the other one right over here. So I have some music playing on Spotify here, and so I can control the volume with this. But I like to control it with my interface so I can get really loud. And so then I can adjust the tone, whether I'm like working for like a studio monitor or for play. Then connecting via Bluetooth is pretty easy. Just long press this Mackie symbol and then connect to Bluetooth the normal way. Okay, with this blinking, I can see it right there, the CR4.5 BT, and then play some music. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's basically it for these studio monitors. Not much more to go over. Yeah, they're pretty easy to operate. They have some cool features. They come in all shapes and sizes depending on your needs. They sound great. They're definitely more than sufficient for my needs, for my limited producing, my video editing, and my conference calls. So I'm very excited to have these. And of course, to get the best price, you can get these from Mackie Direct. I'll have a link in the description below. What are your thoughts on these studio monitors? Let me know down in the comments below, and please smash like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.